If your brain feels slow every day, this video might actually save your career, because this isn't laziness, it's your brain shutting down. And honestly, it starts way earlier than you think. Let me be clear, this is not just stress, this isn't about getting older. And it's definitely not a lack of motivation. Something inside your body is actively blocking your brain. Let's get real for a second. You wake up already tired. Your coffee barely even works anymore. You forget simple words in meetings. You catch yourself rereading the same sentence 5 times. That's not just a bad day. That's brain fog. Here's what nobody warns men about: your hormones. Low testosterone, high cortisol, and chronic stress. These aren't just buzzwords, they're brain killers. Stress doesn't just hurt your mood, it literally slows your brain. Your brain runs on hormones, and when they crash, your clarity crashes with them. Now this one stings a little. Most people eat brain poison before 9 a.m. I'm talking about sugar. One spike, one crash, and suddenly, fog. If you feel mentally worse after eating, your diet is attacking your brain. That's not food. That's sabotage. You think sleep will fix it? Not if you're scrolling at midnight, eating late, or lying in bed stressing about tomorrow. You're sleeping, but your brain never actually recovers. That's why you wake up exhausted even after 8 hours. Here's the quiet killer: silent deficiencies. Low B12, low vitamin D, low magnesium. It's like running your brain with no gas in the tank. Your brain is running without fuel, and you're blaming willpower. No fuel means no focus. Listen carefully. Most people live like this for years, thinking it's just part of getting older or being busy. Brain fog is not normal aging, it's an early warning. Ignore it long enough and burnout becomes permanent. So how do you fix it? It's not magic. Cut the sugar. Fix your sleep timing. Get outside for some sunlight. Lower your stress. Feed your brain what it actually needs. Mental clarity returns fast. Once you stop blocking it, if your brain feels slow every single day, do not ignore it. Because a slow brain today becomes a broken life tomorrow. Clarity isn't talent, it's health. Subscribe for real health truth. No motivation, just biology.